Hey everyone, my name is Daniesh. Today I'm gonna be telling you about my 3 new hobbies during the pandemic. First one is I like making videos on YouTube. I started being a YouTuber last year. Number 2, I start being creative and doing fun activity at home. I can give you an example. Do you know camping? People used to camping in forest, but I do fun activities at home. For example, I learn about animation and start a camp in my home. Now number 3, this is one of my favorite hobbies, is cooking. I started cooking when the pandemic started, maybe in 2019. About my second hobby, I do camping here in my room. Isn't it fun? I do camping with my sister. My mother joined the camping. In the camping, I used to eat snacks and food, my favorite food. Also watch a movie. What's your favorite movie, guys? Isn't it fun? You should try camping in your room. Besides camping, I also learned about animation. It took me like 2 hours to create a 2 seconds animation. It took a long time to create it. I even have a dream to be an animator one day. Maybe. So it's a very positive activity for me. So it's not that bad, right? Staying at home during the pandemic. We have lots of activity to do in the house. So I'm gonna be showing you my third hobby, which is cooking. Let's go down, guys. Follow me in the kitchen. Here I am in my kitchen, guys. The pandemic, I started learning to make food on my own. If I'm hungry, I can make my own favorite food. Like today, I'm gonna be cooking special spaghetti. Before I start cooking, I'm gonna be telling you where I got these ingredients. I buy them online because if you buy them online, it'll be more safer. Now I'll show you how I cook the spaghetti. I want to make creamy mushroom spaghetti. So what we need for the cooking is mushrooms, of course, and the spaghetti, and we need seasoning like that. We need butter, salt, and pepper, and garlic. To make it creamy, we need some milk. I'm gonna go grab the milk. Ta-da! Here's the milk. Oh, I forgot. I need a little bit of flour. I'm gonna grab it in the drawer. Ta-da! There we go. We need some flour, definitely. So the first thing we do, we cut all the mushroom into small pieces like this. After that, the garlic, we chop little like this. Now let's fry them together. After that, put the butter in the pan and put the garlic. Come on, please. Okay, there we go. Wait until it's golden brown. After that, put the mushroom. It takes a while to cook this mushroom, so I leave it about 15 minutes to cook. Now let's check the mushroom. I can't wait for the spaghetti mushroom to be done. If it's done, it'll be so delicious. Ooh, it's almost done. Now it's well cooked. I'll put it in a plate. After that, I'm gonna make the cream. Now we put some milk in the pan and put some flour too. Now the spaghetti is done. Now let's plate it. After that, we plate it with the mushrooms. Look at the plate. It looks like chicken noodle, but it's not. It's mushroom pasta. I really like the results of this. So you see, there's so many activities to do during the pandemic. I'm gonna finish this mushroom pasta. See you again next time.